the water. Turn on my smoker to get rid of it. Smoke. Alright, as you can see, all the chicken is in. I'll just allow it to brown. Well, not really brown, but you know what I mean, burn. Allow it to get a little burn. So I'm going to cover the pot. You can either cover it just to let it simmer. Just cover. And we'll check back with it in about, say, 10 minutes to stir and put it on the other side. Still waiting on it, so I'll just probably show you some stuff in my kitchen. Okay, back at it now. See it's simmering, getting all the colors that it's supposed to. And because I had burned the curry before I started, it's just looking so lovely. Curry is actually one of my wife's favorite dish, curry chicken. I love it as well, but I guess I found someone that loves it more than me, because I have to cook it like twice a week, either curry chicken or mutton. But you know, or fried chicken as well. So I'll just continue to make it simmer, and then after that I'll add a little water, warm water. So I'm gonna put the kettle on, which is over there. Put the kettle on to warm the water to use. I just add my coconut milk and a little salt. I'm doing the peas. Pimento in it. Just set it right. I don't really, because the peas that I use, I don't have to pressure it. It's not what do you call it? It's already cooked. So all I had to do is just add it there with the milk and just let it just eat over, because it's already soft, but because it was in the fridge. I don't really like using these kind of peas, but I guess I just have to use what I have. So I'll just leave it there to just get soft while I check back on the chicken. Wow, it is so yellow and rich. Alright, I have to turn it midway down, and then I'm going to prepare the water to add to it. Thank you guys for watching. I know it's not any fancy things that you're used to, but I'm at home and I always am cooking, and I just decided that, oh, why don't I just try and video something that I'm doing and put it out there, because a lot of people doing it and it's not like I'm doing it like them. I've been cooking like from I was 12, so I know how to do my thing. My wife, she works at night, so normally when she's home, her breakfast would be cooked and her dinner will be cooked. So the more I do it, is the greater I get at it, and I've been doing it from I was 12. So thank you guys for watching. Sorry, I'm not used to this recording and cooking, so you guys missed out on me adding the water from the kettle, because what I actually do is I record, pause, and do some stuff, and then continue. So I had the phone put down and didn't even remember that I'm supposed to show when the water is going. So I add my seasoning, I add additional green pepper, bell pepper as they call it. We call it sweet pepper. Add onion, and yeah, that's about it. And just cover it and let it simmer. Check back on it in about 15 minutes. The peas is still being boiled. And I don't think I'm going to actually use all this water, because guess what? It's just me and my wife home. So I'm trying not to cook a lot of rice. I hate when I actually cook rice. I don't. My hands, they say my hands swell rice. Oftentimes I just use a single cup of rice, and it's there for days because it's swell. So I'm going to try not to cook a lot of rice today, because since this week I've used 1.5 cups, and the cup is like just a little measuring cup, like a 4-quart cup. And whoa, I got a lot of rice from it. So try not to cook a lot of rice, because it's just us, and we're trying to cut off on the rice. One more look again at the chicken, and yeah, I'll pause again and be back. This is a cup of the rice. 1 cup. Cup number 2, as you can see. Not using anymore. Here you see the size. It says quart, but 1 3/4. You can see half and a quart. Oh, it's actually 3/4. So I use 2 cups of this, and you will see how much rice at the end that I'll get from the pot. Still checking on it. I turned it down a little. So I add my carrots. Wanted to add potatoes, but sometimes I have to cut down on the starch, because I'm already gonna make rice. So to add potatoes and all of that stuff. I'm gonna try to start the gym on Monday, because in this winter time, being home most of the time, eating, cooking, eating, tend to gain the pounds. So as you can see,